Alright, I just made a video of how to remove this battery on this 2011 BMW X5. This is the battery AutoZone sent us. I guess this is a cheaper version. This battery only costs us like 65 bucks. Whatever. It's just a storage device. Now that I'm realizing it's going to be a little bit too big for the battery clamp. Let's go ahead and throw this one in there anyways. What can you do? You gotta make it work with what you got. Throw this inside of here. And we're gonna go ahead and slide it over and connect that positive terminal to it. I guess we'll be okay. There's another one right there. Perfect. Alright, so now let's go ahead and grab our we have our positive plugged in. Now let's go ahead and plug in our negative terminal. Sweet. Now these are going to be 10 millimeters to get those tied down. So let's go ahead and tie down the positive and tie down the negative as well. Let's go ahead and put on these battery clamp. That's going to go way down here. This one is also a 10 millimeter socket. So let's go ahead and drive this down. There it is. Battery's nice and tight actually. Perfect. Sweet. Alright, and that is how you install a new battery on this 2011 BMW X5. Let's go ahead and close this. Put this down just like so, and like so. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.